Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can recreate Lindsay Lohan's outfit from Freakier Friday. I did like the first movie a lot, so hopefully the second one is good too. I did use some VIP items for this, by the way, so let's get started with the video. Oops. For the hair, I used this in this color EEB55D, no adjustments made, and this 2 in only bangs. I just positioned the Y to 0.47. For the outfit, I used this top, and just the top without the skirt, in this red color in silk, so B11418. Go to like the culture area. Grab this one in this red in silk, and then color it this brown, 47372B in silk, and then grab this necklace and color it black. Grab these glasses in above head and color it white and this like peach color. And then I used this skirt in this red in silk. Then grab this this dress in skirt only in red in silk, and then silk in that same red. Grab these gloves and color it this color, 2A1A10, and in black. And that is it. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.